Hey there guys, and today we're going to be talking about the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. Yeah, I absolutely love this lotion. I love this one in particular because it is tiny, and I love that it's in a small container that you can travel with. A lot of times you can't find lotions that you like in this little compact situation here. I like that. I mean, this comes in a large, very large bottle also. This is just the 3 ounce one, but whenever they have good lotions that you can travel with and just throw in your travel bag, I am in love with that. Yeah, that's good. That's one of my things about buying lotions and fragrances and stuff. But yeah, this one, the Jergens is a very, very good brand for, you know, keeping your hands soft, your feet, or even your body, you know. Really, really has that feeling of softness that you get when you rub it in, and it doesn't take long to absolutely absorb into your skin. You know, it doesn't go on greasy. It doesn't make you feel like tacky on your hands at all. It gets on there and it's really nice, and it has a really nice flowery smell. I mean, it's not crazy feminine for all the guys out there who are like, oh, I don't want to smell like a girl. But no, it makes you smell really good. I mean, it's nice. It makes you have this clean smell to your hands, you know, when you put it on there. I usually use it for after I've washed my hands and I want to lotion afterwards so it doesn't dry. And I also use it for hands. I have a few calluses here from exercising, lift weights, use barbells, and my hands tend to get calluses on them from the barbell bar, you know. I try to use gloves, you know, when I'm doing that, but a lot of times it'll still get the calluses on there. I put this on there every night, you know, after my workout, and smooth out those calluses, you know, get it in there so your hands still stay soft and not so brittle or dry and like crispy, you know. So that's what I do with this lotion. I mean, that's the main. I also use it on my feet and legs and my elbows. Oh, my elbows. This will completely knock out the ashy look. I mean, kind of a dark-skinned guy, and when there's ashy look on your knuckles or your elbows or your knees, it's not a good look. And so this is good for that, and it keeps it away, you know. I mean, you will feel the softness on your elbows and your knees, and it will completely take away any kind of sense of ash like that white covering, like you've been dipped in powder or something. But yeah, this is really good. I like it. I really do. It's actually for extra dry skin moisturizer. It's made with vitamin C and vitamin E, vitamin B5, nourishing to the skin, and it makes it healthy. Yeah, it really does. It does not go on oily at all, and it's a white color going on. See, it comes out white. Yeah. See? And then you just take a dab, and you can get that in there, you know, get your skin. Get that in there, yeah. Really good. And it makes it dry, you know? I mean, makes it soft, makes dry hands very, very soft. Yeah. And see, there's no residue of like shine or anything or oil, you know. It does really, really well. I like it a lot. I swear by it. This is a very, very good lotion. I also have the large version of this for when I get out of the bathtub, when I take a shower. Is something I put on my whole body, but this is the one I carry with me in my bag every day when I come back and forth to work, you know, because I'm washing my hands constantly because I work in a lab, so I want to keep my hands nice and soft, and this does the job. I like it a lot. It is really, really a good lotion. So that's it, guys, for the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. Yeah, I like it a lot, and so will you. All right. Well, I hope you use this information, guys, and I'll see you next time. All right, take care. Bye-bye.